Listen up, the Climature Plus solution just got an update. The firmware version 1.20 is here with new features that make the system even more complete. You now have multiple alarms, custom calibration, improved communication between devices, new functionality in an experience, and 2 accessories that offer greater installation flexibility. Throughout this video, I will show you what changed and how these features work in practice. Let's start with the AirGator Plus. The main highlight is the addition of multiple alarms. You can now configure up to 16 independent alarms, each with its own rules, trigger conditions, and associated sensors. This gives you much more flexibility to create different monitoring strategies with the same installation. Another important improvement is for those integrating the Climature Plus with SCADA systems. The MQTT protocol now includes new commands for query information about the LoRa network and the devices. In addition, event and alarm messages now include the probe serial number, making it easier to identify each sensor. Now let's look at what's new on the RHR Plus. The first update is the custom calibration, which now allows the adjustments at up to 10 points, delivering even greater accuracy across different applications. We also improved the LoRa communication. The device now automatically adjusts its transmission power based on signal quality, along with the improvements to network formation and data transmission to the AirGator Plus. And to make maintenance easier, the RHR Plus now automatically detects probe replacements, updating the serial number without any manual configuration. The improvements have also reached an experience software. The data download of the RHR Plus devices is now done automatically. No need to select the devices one by one anymore. We also simplified the report generation. Individual reports for each RHR Plus on the network can now be issued automatically, speeding up documentation and making it easier to analyze and store data. In addition to the firmware updates, the Climature Plus now comes with 2 new accessories. First one is the 3-meter extension cable for the capture probe. It allows the probe to be installed farther away from the RHR Plus body, giving you more flexibility in sensor placement. Another benefit is that when using this cable, the RHR Plus operating temperature range extends to -20°C to 80°C, opening new application possibilities. The second release is the magnetic base with a 2.5 meter cable for the RHR Plus. This accessory allows the gateway to be mounted inside electrical cabinets while keeping the LoRa antenna outside. The result is a more efficient communication with the sensors. If you are already using the Climature Plus solution, we recommend updating your devices to take advantage of all these new features. We have put together a video walking you through the entire firmware update process, step by step. The link is available in the description of this video and in the card showing the screen. If you liked this video and want to keep updated with Novo's new launches, product demos and technical content, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content. See you next time!